I'm standing at a 1965 open car theater, and this is truly incredible to see. Okay, welcome back. I just time traveled to America in 1965. You won't believe where I am. This place is absolutely incredible. Okay, I'm inside America's 1965 cafe now. I don't believe this is America 1965. Look around. Awesome. Oh my, I'm at Times Square now. It looks absolutely awesome.
No Shane was 7 years.
Times Square looks completely different back then, but somehow even more alive. Chicago feels massive, busy, and completely different from anything I've seen before. I can't believe this is real. Oh, I don't believe this. What a vintage cars. These brand new Chevrolets look absolutely stunning, and they're fresh from the factory. This new model is the best we have ever built. I agree, it will sell very fast.
Craftsmanship like this anymore. Absolutely, a true classic. I remember my father had one of these.
I can't believe this is old Hollywood. Wow, honestly, it feels like walking inside movie history. Awesome. Let's go see what gas stations looked like in 1965. See how incredible this is? It looks like a whole movie set. Back then, attendants filled your tank for you. And that's actually incredible. I'm standing at a 1965 open car theater, and this is truly incredible to see. People are literally watching movies from their cars. This is amazing.
I love this movie. Me too, it's a classic. This is the best.
In 1965, people in America lived very happily and were close-knit, like one big family. This neighborhood feels peaceful, safe, and exactly like classic America. Check out these teenagers playing hoops over there. Just look at that, pure American life right there. And over here, a picnic. You just don't see this anymore. Everyone here is like family, always helping each other out. This is what a neighborhood should be. It makes you feel good to be a part of it. What an incredible journey through 1965. Don't forget to subscribe to SAC Vlog for more time travel adventures. We hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you again soon on another journey through time. Until then, take care, and bye-bye.